7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hey, what is up, everybody? Everything Gundam back from the dead. Yes, I'm alive. I know it's been a couple years. I'm going off with a bang. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Real Grade Evangelion Unit 8 Alpha. I know it's weird that I'm back. I'm glad to be back. I've got a lot coming new to the channel. I want to give a huge shout out to those over at Ryder's Hobby Shop in Flint. After I left, they were still willing to sponsor me, so they're still a big part of the channel. And yeah, I was able to get this kit, and I also have the Real Grade Zeong. But I've got plenty of upcoming stuff here in the future. I am also, which I will try to link down in the description, I'm going to start doing live builds on Twitch. So that'll be pretty fun. But yeah, let's get into it. So this is the Real Grade Evangelion Unit 8. I did, in my hiatus, build the RG Eva Unit 1. I bought the DX set. I kind of wish that they were still doing the whole DX sets, you know, like they did with Unit 1 and Unit 0. But this does look kind of nice. Here's the bottom of the box. I do like that sniper rifle. It looks pretty cool. I can't wait to detail that up. Here's the side of the box, back of the box, and yep, good old Ryder's Hobby Shop. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, guys, so now that we're back, we are going to take a look at the runners. Wow, the runners. These aren't going to be in any particular order, but first we have the C runner, which is some of your inner frame details, and you got the prog knives and all that jazz. Here is the J runner, which is most of your hands and the pallet rifle, and that little itty bitty entry plug. The runner, which is your pink, purple, and some more gray, blackish parts. This is mostly for the head and the binders. Here is the V runner, which is your sniper rifle parts, which this is looking really nice. I'm going to have fun detailing this up a bit. Here is runner V2, which is in like this mustard yellow color. I really don't like this color. I'm thinking about changing it to like a gold color. I don't know, it'll look nice, I think, in gold. Here is runner I2, which is in more of that mustard yellow. And runner H1, which is for all the hand options, which again, in that mustard yellow color. Here is the D runner, which is more of the inner workings of the Eva. Here is runner I1, which is in like a light brownish color. Thinking about changing this color too. I really don't know yet. This has got the ammo belt for the rifle, and I think like the neck detailing. Here is the A runner, which is for like the armor parts, and that light pink color, which I really do like. Here is the O runner. Has got some light green, pink, and red. Here is the E runner, which has more of our white armor parts. Runner K, which is our silver for the not the entry plug, but the umbilical cable. Runner F1, some more light red parts. Here is runner L for some clear red parts. Here is runner W2, which is that sensor unit in the head, and a clear green. Runner G1 for some more white armor parts. Here is runner B1, which has some more of our pink armor parts for the Ava. Runner H2, which has some of the spine parts on the back of the Ava. Black color. Runner W1, which has a couple more hand options, and for the back in that mustard yellow color. And runner N, which has some more black parts and mustard yellow parts. And there is our RG style sticker sheet. I know Delphi Decal, which is a great company, by the way. I love their decals. I do believe they have a water slide version for Ava Unit 8, which I will try and get here in the near future. So look forward to that. I'll possibly show that off once it's all done with water slides. I'm just going to do a quick snap build for the review, but I can come back with the finished version. And here is our wire for the umbilical cable. And the manual, which, but that is it for the RG Ava Unit 8. I'm really excited to be back again, guys. I know I've been gone for way too long, but I'm really excited to snap build this up. Next up on my to-do list is the RG Xeon. So look forward to that. Make sure to give a like, and make sure to subscribe, and look forward to seeing some more awesome content. Thank you, guys. See you next time.